Hi everyone, today we are going to be trimming this Calandrinia. A few weeks ago I noticed that this succulent has brown and gray spotting, so I'm thinking that maybe it is being affected by an ant issue that we have. So what I'm going to do is cut it back and hopefully the new growth won't have that. This succulent grows very rapidly. When I first got it, it was in a 10-inch pot and it just took off. I considered removing this plant, but I had a change of heart. I really love the beautiful flowers that it gives. So I'm hoping that by doing this and by treating it, that the new growth is going to look a lot healthier. Now I was doing some research and I guess this is not the easiest plant to propagate. The success rate isn't so high, so I'm not even going to attempt to propagate these pieces because they don't look nice anyway. As I'm trimming back, I'm noticing that there is a lot of growth, so that's a good sign. There are so many weeds that I need to address, so I'm also going to be pulling out these weeds, but I'm not doing a good job because you got to get them by the roots, and that's not happening. So this is connected to an irrigation system that we installed ourselves, which was really neat. My brother-in-law is really great at doing many things, and one of those things is irrigation. So he guided us and helped us, and we did all the physical labor of digging and shoveling, and we installed our own irrigation. But maybe I'm thinking, oh, look at all the growth, all these small. I'm thinking that it might be overwatered, so I need to find out. Oh, it's looking a little botched. I don't like that. It's like cutting hair, you know. Then you regret it. Once you cut your hair, you want a fresh new style, and then you get some funny bangs, and you're like, what did I do? Why did I do that? There has been overcast these past couple of days, which makes me really happy because I've been able to come out here and tend to my garden like I've been wanting to, but postponing because of the incredible heat wave. So this is the perfect weather to be outside, taking care of all of your plants in your garden. It's the best. Truly is the best. Look at these weeds. They're just out of control, man. Just can't stand them. Look at this. This one's like never ending. It's like a magic trick. And it's funny because what makes them look, it's not that they're growing from all of these places. It's like one long one that just grows out of control, and it looks wild. It's not like it's attached completely to the ground, you know, it's just, I love this hair. This Mexican feathergrass, it's my favorite. It's really my favorite. Ow, something poked me. Ow. They're stacking me. If any of you know what this is, or if you have any tips on treating it, please let me know in the comments below. I really, really value all of the information that you give me, and all of your feedback is truly, truly appreciated. Is that a ladybug? Aw. It's a ladybug, I think. this plant is going to look a little sad for a while. This one. Okay, so I'm done here for the most part. Let me just get this here because I don't like that. Ooh, whoa. Can't even see the wood anymore. Oh, the wood's all the way over here. All right, so I'm done. Let's end it. Get rid of this big piece here. Pruning can get addicting. I want to keep cutting at it, but I'm going to stop because then at that point, I'm not going to be left with anything. So I'm done for now, but I'm not done because I have to treat it. So I'll wait for some of your comments and suggestions as to how best to treat this. And this is what it looks like now. Looks a little sad, I have to say. I miss the fullness of it, but I know that it's for the best. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you have any suggestions in the comments below, and hopefully I get this treated soon.